Morning everybody, Gary Porter again. I now have the two comparator sides. This is a negative sample side working. It's adjusted. I had to go to a 25K instead of 10 on the input to the comparator. Same thing with the positive side. Changed the resistor. That's all working. So these two transistors in the center are going to dump the energy from, I've got 2 Tesla coils here. I've got 200 turns on the secondary, 4 turns on the primary on each side. I haven't tuned for resonance yet, but I'm seeing enough voltage coming out of here so that the comparator is working. I'm getting ready to dump the energy into the preset from this output, and the goal is to get rid of the any precharging needed from the batteries. Currently I have to push the buttons in to get this thing to work at the batteries to precharge. Anyway, this voltage can climb up to about 80 to 184 volts on the output, and I'm getting about 20 to 40 volts in the cap, no load. So that can the whole thing can change with resonance, and that's where we are right now. I've got this whole board now requires about 6 wires to make the change, and that's about it. I had to change down on the enable lines. I had to wrap the positive enable around into the gate for the creating the negative enable, so that they're now timed just right so that one occurs just after the other. And that means that these two, each of these primaries here are in series, and I've got the positive and the negative pulses going into the same connection. And what this does, it enhances the magnetic fields that occur. The back EMF field is assisted by the negative pulse. A positive gives you a negative back EMF, so that the negative pulse, it just flows right in there, and it doubles the voltage on the output of the coils. So I know that's working great, and got a long ways to go, but I'm seeing some interesting things in these Tesla coils. So if I move the primary along this coil here, I can get different output voltages, and right now I'm in the center for the maximum, and so we'll see. All I'm looking for right now is to eliminate having to hold the precharge buttons down. And once that's done, then it's a matter of getting another secondary involved to replace the 35 milliwatts I need to run the actual logic. Anyway, have a good day.